have divided this course in 6 modules. In the first module, we will explain you what business intelligence is. What's performance management, what are KPIs, which are the other business intelligence tools besides Power BI, and we immediately will make a practical exercise. You will get 2 Excel files, and together we will make visuals on these Excel files. We will go through all business intelligence steps. So you will play with Power Query, you will do some data modeling, and you will end up with making some visuals. So after the first module, I can assure you, you will be able to make some visuals already. In the second module, we will go more in detail. In the second module, we will focus on preparing the data. How can you connect to the data? Which are the sources you can connect to? Only Excel files or also databases, ERPs, data, and so on. We also will learn how to transform the data. What can you do? Because quite often we will have to cleanse the data. We have to transform it, we have to append data, we have to merge data. All these things, we will see this in the second module. In the third module, we will learn how to model the data. We will have data tables and we will make relationships between those data tables. We also will talk about calculations, DAX calculations. For instance, if you want to measure or create and measure a KPI might exist of a nominator and a denominator. Maybe you have to divide it. Then we will learn how you can create those formulas using DAX. In the fourth module, we will focus on the visualizations, creating bar charts, creating line charts, creating maps, and so on and so on. There are a lot of visuals you can use in Power BI, but we will learn about best practices and also about what do you want to tell with that visual. So we have to be very focused on this. Each visual, each type of chart can tell another story. So you will have to select them. In the fifth module, we will go even further on the visualization and we will try to enhance the user experience, the experience of your audience. We will introduce you to features like drill-throughs, tooltips, interaction between visuals, etc. And we also will explain you how storytelling works. How can you really tell a story to your audience? In the last module, we will talk about Power BI Service, which is the tool to share your reports with other people, to collaborate, and maybe also to secure some data. For instance, sales representatives only or should only see the data of their own country and not of their colleagues in another country, another region. So we also will learn how can you secure the data. We also will dive or present you some AI features in Power BI. There are quite some new AI features in Power BI, and we expect that over the time that more AI features will jump in. And we will explain you what AI is and which features you can use for Power BI.